Hey, hi everyone. I'm Anup from team Inlens AI, and we have picked the use case number 10 called investment and mergers and acquisition intelligence. We built one tool that does the two jobs an analyst really does, research a stock and run a diligence on the deal. And every single number it shows you link back to the page it came from and also how it has been computed. Moving ahead on the next four slide, I will go through the how what are the limitations along with what was the problem statement and how what we have built along with some part of the go through of the platform itself. The actual go through of the platform will be in the another video called demo video. So let me move ahead with the next slide. So here is like the hackathon asked us to build the use case number 10, and in plain words I can say that it helps investor decide what to buy, sell, acquire, and it also explains why. uh, I personally talked to a few of the peoples who actually does this work, and this is how things work actually. One is the AI tools today write a nice looking memos, but often make up a numbers. The portfolio manager signs the memo, and then investment committee asks where this number came from, and nobody can answers it. And the trade get pulled. Another thing is like running a due diligence on a single deck takes two analysts about a month, you can say, and they use Excel for the model, Word for the memo, and PDF piled on the desk. Most of that work doesn't carry over to the next deal, and they start from the zero every time. And this is where we are fixing this. This platform is fixes the both kind of thing. Moving ahead on the next slide. Uh, Here, the first part is like the investment research, where you type a stock ticker and 11 different specialized agents took at look at the company together. Four analysts look at the number first, market price, fundamentals, technicals, news, and all are from the real sources like live news or the Edgar report of the 10K, 8K. And then a bull and bear agent argue about it. They debate the same evidence and keep doing the until they agree. A trader picks the directions and the price target, and the three risk analysts vote on how big the position should be. So if they are not convinced, they send it back to the trader. Then a portfolio manager looks at the similar past deals and what those stocks actually did, and that helps the PM to make a final call. Last, a recommender writes the memo. Every sentence link back to the page in 10K. And then we run one more check. Pure math, no AI. We pulled 60 days of prices, compare against the market, and see if the agent said matches the stock actually did. um, this is if you can hover about the any number, and the formula it shows in the platform itself. So it is we will show in the demo itself. Now moving ahead on the next slide, it's called diligence workbench, which is part 2 of our what we have built. The idea is simple. You drop in a document for a deal, you get a defensible IC memo at the end, and it's four steps are there in between. Step 1 is upload. You drag a PDF or pick a deal we already fetch from the Edgar, which is live, and the system reads every page and index it. The indexing is from our own patent of the published research paper called Banana, so we are using that. Step 2 is called diligence. 8 standard checks: commercial, financial, legal, tech, management, ESG, risk, and IC. Each one is a checklist. You can edit also, so user has a flexibility to edit this kind of workflow. It runs, scores the deal, and shows you the evidence at the same time. Then the step 3 is the matrix. where question across the top and documents are down the side, and every cell is cited answer pulled from a document, and every cell is a kind of like workflow which runs in parallel. So if we have a 10 cells, if we have a 20, or if we have a 200 cells, every workflow runs in parallel to answer a particular question to all the number of documents. This is what we will use you want to, when we are also synthesizing the IC memo. We will see in the demo itself in the platform. And the fourth is IC memo, which is a one click, the matrix turned into a structured memo, and every line links back to the page where it came from. Moving ahead on the next slide, here is the four limitations we wanted to say up front. So the first one, it pulls the live data from Yahoo Finance and the Edgar, and after that the whole answer is saved in the cache. So if you run the same request a year from now, you will get the same exact byte for byte. Great for compliance. The catch is the first run does need internet. The second thing is like everything goes through the Compass. We didn't offer build any offline or another fallback to it. Third is like our mergers and acquisition deal database has 18 public deals in it. Let's say Microsoft buying Activations, or Broadcom buying VMware, something like that. Strong in tech, healthcare, other sectors fallback. Although we are fetching on the live basis from the Edgar API, some other S4 mergers. 4 is news come from free sources, so quality is okay, not premium. So that also we wanted to point out. Moving ahead on the last slide, which is I'll show you just a platform. The detailed demo will be another video. So the platform has the investment side, diligence side, and the sources. What are the citations? 10k pages. If we have a 400 pages in the 10k, we are doing it in a matter of seconds, all the indexing and everything using our patent called Banana. And then we have a cross document chat also. Let me show you how the platform looks. So this is how the platform look. It's called Equity Research Text, where you can search for a ticker on a given day, and it will give us its verdict, and there are different what are the price point and how it is return alignment with the past 60 days, which we talked about then. And there is an analyst team, bull and bear research debate, risk committee, how it is compared this particular ticker with the other peers, and what is the peer medium, and everything is cited where it has all the debate has come from, how the verdict is being made. Let's say here the page number 98 is cited for Amazon 10k report. So here page number is 25 is cited, all the numbers, and this is the source of truth, and this is the news articles that is being fetched on the live today. We can click any of it and it will open, it will show us like what is there in the news. So just give some site of it. The time it is loading, I'll click some other link also at the same time to see things. Let's say here it is like Amazon stock is buy right now and all those stuffs. Now moving ahead, there is another thing called the mergers and acquisition, where target ticker and the acquirer can be said, and it will fetch from the all the different sources and what are the evidence, and based on that it will give a verdict about it. The another thing is called deal room, where we can have a 4 panels which documents, where you will upload any document or go for the S4 merges which are recently as of today registered on the Edgar. You can click and upload. This kind of upload of the documents happens here. If you see the parsed markdown, it is from the Banana side of it. So given the content of this HLX, it has parsed around 130 pages in matter of seconds, and then we can run the any due diligence kind of thing. Either we can customize it, we can just whatever is needed, or we can just select any of it which is more relevant to us. At the same time, if a commercial diligence is running, we can also edit what we want to add here. So commercial diligence, what is the descriptions, we can, all the things are on the user side, we can add, delete, anything like that, and also have a cross deal search around it. Then we have a matrix. Matrix is where we are having a document as a row, and there are different questions that you can ask, or you can click AI also to suggest any kind of questions. Once you click that particular questions, see here these questions, and it is kind of like retrieving for that particular document as well as the other. So all things are running, all the cells are kind of like workflow which runs in parallel. No matter if 200 cells are there, 200 cells will run in parallel. Then we have a IC memo and chat, where we can ask crossdill any kind of chat that we want, at the same time generate an IC memo which synthesized from the matrix, the previous one. And if you see, it has already it has not, it is kind of like verifying stage, where it is verifying the informations. At the same time here for this document, it has said that not disclosed in any evidence. So we are not kind of like hallucinating answers or anything which can be made up from LLM. Everything should be well cited. So yeah, this is all about more informations walk through about the this platform. We will go in the demo video. Thank you all.